High school family, we're going to talk about beginning, middle, and end parts of a story today. So I'm going to read you a story, and I want you to listen really carefully to the story because at the end, I'm going to ask you to get a piece of paper and divide it into 3 sections. In the first section, I want you to write a B for beginning. In the middle section, I want you to write an M for middle. And at the end section, I want you to write E for end. And when we get to that, when we get finished with the story, you're going to draw something that happened at the beginning, something that happened in the middle, and something that happened at the end. And today our story we are going to read is There's an Alligator Under My Bed, written and illustrated by Mercer Mayer. It says to Alburn and Philip. There used to be an alligator under my bed. When it was time to go to sleep, I had to be very careful because I knew he was there. But whenever I looked, he hid or something. So I'd call Mom and Dad. But they never saw it. It was up to me. I just had to do something about that alligator. So I went to the kitchen to get some alligator bait. I filled a paper bag full of things alligators like to eat. I put a peanut butter sandwich, some fruit, and the last piece of pie in the garage. I put cookies down the hall. I left fresh vegetables on the stairs. I put a soda and some candy next to my bed. Then I watched and waited. Sure enough, out he came to get something to eat. Then I hid in the hall closet. I followed him down the stairs. I followed him down the hall. When he crawled into the garage, I slammed the door and locked it. Then I went to bed. There wasn't even any mess to clean up. Now that there's an alligator in the garage, I wonder if my dad will have any trouble getting into his car tomorrow morning. I'll just leave him a note. His note says, Dear Dad, there's an alligator in the garage. If you need help, wake me up. Warning, be careful. Okay, that's the end of There's an Alligator Under My Bed. So now I want you to think really carefully about the story that we read and get a piece of paper with Mom and Dad and divide it in 3 parts. Remember, B is for beginning, M is for middle, and E is for end. And draw a picture of something that happened in the beginning, in the middle, and the end. And I would love for you to send a picture to me if you're in my class, and if you're in Miss Beeler's class, you can send a picture to her in her mind. If you have sidewalk chalk and you'd rather draw it outside, you can do that too. Lots of different ideas. But we can't wait to see your drawings about what happened. Bye.